Mom?
We have our 11-year-old son, Brandon, and then Mackenzie's 3. She's about to be 4. Amarie's 2 months old.
We got one sleeping, we got one asking questions. Well, when we originally found out we were pregnant, we had started going to ultrasound appointments and stuff, and I think it was around the 4th or 5th month.
We were supposed to find out the sex, and we found out. The ultrasound tech said, I gotta get a doctor in, and the doctor will talk to you. And the doctor came in and pretty much recommended us to go to the perinatal center at Abbott and get a full echo and all that done.
I mean, it was pretty scary to hear, something might be going on, something's wrong. I'm sure like any other parent that, goes into a ultrasound appointment and is expecting nothing, outside of the ordinary, and we get the shock of our life, and it's just like, but, we made it through. We talked about it and just came to a general understanding for the both of us that it's not about us, it's about her and just giving her a chance, so. A normal shaped heart has four chambers, and she was, we'll just say 3.5, because the left side was abnormal and small.
It was like looking at a normal baby in the ultrasound and giving us thumbs up and waving and growing the right way. And I mean, everything about every ultrasound was positive. Which
is still my favorite ultrasound pic to this day. Is the one where she was throwing her thumbs up, like, I'm okay, guys.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Well, she had the Norwood procedure done. And she'll have to go through 3 more. She'll have a Glenn, where I think they redo the shunt because she'll outgrow it. And then she'll have a 3rd surgery where they do a final shunt, and I think it'll help like grow with her as she gets older into adulthood and all that.
And a second surgery will be hopefully between the next 6 to 8 months, and then her last procedures, I believe, is generally between 3 and 4 years old. So those are the time frames we're kind of dealing with, and keeping our hopes alive. So much for her being alive right now.
She's awesome. She's strong. She did a very good job.
Throughout the first procedure, she was definitely a fighter through it. 6 days after being born, and surgery it's almost like, what? And she made it through. She fought 5.5 hours of surgery, and then our girl pulled through.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Going back and forth from work and driving back and forth from home twice a day. For me, sometimes it seemed like 3, maybe even 4 times a day. But the stress of everything while trying to work was maybe a little too much. And the only place you really want to be is with your baby at that point in time.
We fell behind, and we were going to and from the hospital twice a day, every day, staying there and stuff. And the social worker, Catherine Hall, she would always come in and ask us how we're doing, and everything was always positive. I'd always say, everything's good, look at her, she's doing really good. And I knew we were falling behind in things just from working less and being there more. And I just reached out to her, and she ended up just having a meeting and partnering with Northern Lights Foundation, and she came back to me and said, I think I can help you.
I say it's our little blessing.
Yes.
Just ultimately keeping up with our utilities, bills and stuff, like things that, anybody can fall back on and, like that. But being that we had, a little bit of help, just totally helped out,
that she's home. I, don't have to stress about a lot of things. Get it up to date and with everything, and a blessing. Get back in the swing of things and get her home. She's born in August. We're like, she's a Leo, and she's going in for heart surgery. She's got a heart of a lion. She's our tough little girl.
She got a heart of a lion. She might want to go grow up, and who knows if she wants to maybe someday to become a doctor, a nurse, somebody, and realize that she has a condition and she can maybe further herself and help others. So it'd be, super beneficial for her to know exactly what she's been through.
It's amazing to have her home, though.
Yeah. That part I love.